stop. If you're thinking about buying MasterMind AI to make recurring income online, there's something you need to know first. Because right now, thousands of people are trying to make money selling courses, coaching programs, or digital products. But most of them fail. Not because they're lazy, but because creating courses, building funnels, getting traffic and handling customers is simply too complicated. So the big question is MasterMind AI actually a shortcut to building a recurring income business, or just another overhyped AI tool? In this honest MasterMind AI review, I'll show you exactly what it is, how it works, the real benefits, the pros and cons, and how you can get my exclusive bonuses free if you decide it's right for you. Let's dive in. What is MasterMind AI? MasterMind AI is a cloud-based AI platform that turns simple content into a fully functional AI mentor system that you can sell as a monthly membership. Instead of creating courses manually, this tool uses something called neural sync technology to generate full courses, train an AI mentor, build a website, create funnels, and even drive traffic. All automatically. The concept is simple. You create an AI-powered, MasterMind mentor, people pay monthly to access it, and the AI does all the teaching and support for you. Benefits. Why people are interested? Let's talk about why this is getting so much attention. Recurring income model. Instead of one-time sales, you can charge $97 to $997 per month. That means predictable monthly income. Fully automated system. No course creation, no funnel building, and no email writing. The AI does everything. Beginner-friendly. No tech skills required. You don't need experience in course creation, AI training, or marketing. Built-in traffic system. One of the biggest problems online is traffic, but this tool claims to generate traffic for you. AI mentor concept, unique angle. This is not just another course builder. It creates a 24/7 AI mentor that interacts with users, which increases engagement and retention. What you get inside MasterMind AI? You'll find a complete ecosystem: AI course generator, neural sync AI mentor creator, Udemy-like website builder, built-in funnels plus BSL plus email system, traffic generation tool, payment integration, Stripe, PayPal, membership system for recurring income. Basically, instead of using 10 different tools, this gives you everything in one dashboard. Honest pros and cons. Let's be real, no tool is perfect. Pros: all-in-one system, huge advantage, recurring income model, beginner-friendly, fully automated setup, no need to show your face, and low one-time price. Cons: income claims are not guaranteed, you still need consistency, some features may take time to understand, and traffic quality may vary. So yes, it's powerful, but it's not a magic button. Results: what to expect? Let's set realistic expectations. You're not going to make $9,700 overnight, but this tool can help you launch faster, test ideas quickly, build a recurring income model, and an online business. Speed plus consistency equals results. Now if you decide to pick up MasterMind AI through my link below, you'll also get my exclusive bonus bundle free. Bonus 1 AI Membership Funnel Blueprint, $297 value. A step-by-step system to help you set up your offer, price your membership, and convert visitors into paying members. Bonus 2 First 5 Clients AI Strategy, $197 value. Learn how to get your first users, validate your idea, and start generating recurring income fast. These bonuses are designed to help you get results faster, especially if you're a beginner. So, is MasterMind AI worth it? If you want to build a recurring income business, if you like the idea of AI automation, and if you don't want to create content manually, then yes, MasterMind AI can be a powerful tool. But remember, it's a tool, not a guarantee. Your results will depend on how you use it. If you want to check it out and claim my bonuses, click the first link in the description below. Grab MasterMind AI, unlock the bonus bundle, and start building your AI-powered recurring income today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.